everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn about a simple but important phrase in English, what plus be. This will help you ask questions about people, places, and things. Let's get started! Section 1. What is what plus be? The phrase what plus be is used to ask questions. Section 3. Practice time. Let's practice together. I'll say a statement, and you can respond with a what plus be question. First one. I see a car. You can ask, what is that? Second one. They are teachers. You can ask, what are they? Pause the video and try it with your own sentences. Section 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Remember, we use is for singular things and are for plural things. For example, what is your name? One person. What are your names? More than one person. Great job today! You learned how to use what plus be to ask questions in English. Don't forget to practice and feel free to leave your questions in the comments. If you found this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time!